Hey, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut template on PC. So if you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. First of all, I'm going on to google.com, then type CapCut template for PC. So click on the first link on this google.com. Wow, you can see I found lots of CapCut templates on here. Everything are really good. So if I click on someone, example purpose, this one, just click here. Then if you want to use this template, just click on use this template. Here is a 6 clip available, and already 78,000 of people use this. Now you need to sign up on CapCut. Just continue with Google. Once you have done, you are going to this one and this site. Now click on media, or I'll click on upload. So I want to upload from my computer, upload file. Just example purpose, I select this one. You can see it's work. So if you want to use those template, just import here, then add your video here. I hope you are doing really good. So this is a method you can use a template on CapCut PC. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.